Top 10 best stocks to buy in 2022. Stock market predictions range from hopeful to pessimistic. After a 2021 that saw the pandemic lead to a lot of volatility, many investors didn't know what to expect. The technology sector, in particular, took the biggest hit on rumors of impending rate hikes and investors transitioning to companies with actual revenue. Fortunately, the introduction of 2022 seems to be increasing investor sentiment. There is no such thing as a perfect stock. Stocks for beginners and veterans will all be different. Even today's best performers aren't guaranteed tomorrow. Number 1. DocuSign. DocuSign offers a variety of e-signature and similar cloud-based products and services which enable companies of all sizes to digitally prepare, sign, act on, and manage written agreements. With the help of DocuSign, companies across the globe are executing agreements in an efficient, timely, and secure manner without the hassle and waste of physical documents. DocuSign is considered expensive in an industry synonymous with sky-high valuations. As the first mover in a disruptive industry, DocuSign looks like one of the best stocks to buy now. It can change the way businesses interact and produce significant returns for investors. Number 2. Coinbase Global. The idea of a metaverse is gaining so much traction, in fact, that the previously named Facebook has since changed its name to Meta and promised to turn the idea into reality. Coinbase Global, Inc. As today's most popular cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase may be the first in line to serve as the metaverse's primary bank. Dealing primarily in blockchain-centric currencies and tokens, Coinbase appears to be the frontrunner for a metaverse bank, if there ever is one. Coinbase already has well over $255 billion in assets across 100 different countries and 72 million users. Coinbase remains an industry leader in one of the most disruptive industries we have ever seen. Number 3. Twilio. Based in tech-centric Silicon Valley, Twilio is a communications platform that utilizes the cloud to enable the best, most efficient form of collaboration between developers. In its simplest form, Twilio allows the people responsible for software development to programmatically make and receive phone calls, send and receive text messages, and perform other communication functions using its web service APIs. The beginning of the pandemic, when online development became crucial for many businesses, Twilio share prices have increased about 228.0% in the wake of work-from-home trends. Number 4. The Walt Disney Company. Disney has already established a massive presence in several of today's most profitable industries. With theme parks and intellectual property reaching just about every country on the planet, Disney's $281.5 billion market cap looks almost modest. Disney has been one of the best performing stocks on the market, and there's nothing to suggest its growth trajectory will suffer any setbacks. With signs of travel returning to new highs, Disney's resorts, cruise ships, parks, and travel destinations will all see added business. Number 5. DigitalOcean Holdings. New to the New York Stock Exchange, DigitalOcean is a cloud computing platform which provides the necessary tools for developers, startups, and small to medium-sized businesses to realize their potential in an increasingly digital world. More specifically, however, DigitalOcean allows businesses to compute, store and translate data in a way that is integral to growth and efficiency. In a world where data and information are invaluable, DigitalOcean allows businesses to harness their power. DigitalOcean is doing well. The company has become one of the best ways for smaller businesses to utilize the cloud. Number 6. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA specializes in programmable graphics processor technologies. The company revolves around 3 primary segments: graphics processing units, media, communications processors, and handheld and consumer electronics. When the company was brought public in 1999, it had a market cap of $228.5 million. Today, its market cap is $750 billion. NVIDIA is one of the best stocks to buy now. NVIDIA is currently considered the best semiconductor company in the world at a time. Everything from cars to toys relies on semiconductors, which means demand for NVIDIA's products is not only huge. Number 7. Upstart Holdings. Upstart has started to make a name for itself in the financial services sector. Upstart is a cloud-based artificial intelligence, AI platform seeking to disrupt the way lenders qualify their borrowers. Upstart is in the early stages of disrupting the entire financial services sector, and it's doing a good job. Growth, expansion, and extension are to be expected in the coming years. Upstart recently launched Upstart Auto Retail, a cloud-based software solution intended to connect car buyers with the loans they need to make a purchase. Number 8. Target Corporation. Target is one of the country's most popular big-box department store chains. With somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,897 stores, Target is well positioned to not only meet the consumer needs of everyone, but surpass them. Over the course of the pandemic, in particular, Target's sales and profits rose exponentially. Deemed an essential retailer, Target was allowed to remain open and gain more market share than it already had. Target's position as an industry leader, however, its share prices haven't fared well in recent history. Number 9. The Trade Desk. The Trade Desk may look expensive to new investors, but the latest correction in the Nasdaq has dropped the advertisement company by approximately 45.0% from its all-time high last year. The company operates a self-service cloud-based platform that allows buyers to create, manage, and optimize data-driven digital advertising campaigns in various ad formats and channels, including display, video, audio, in-app, native and social, and on various devices, such as computers, mobile devices, and connected TV. Number 10. Unity Software. Unity Software went public during the pandemic, but the company has already established itself as a leader in the multi-billion-dollar video game industry, and it's looking to do the same in plenty of others. As a real-time 3D development platform, Unity has served as one of the most popular software solutions for creating, running, and monetizing 3D content on phones, tablets, PCs, gaming consoles, and virtual reality headsets. In short, Unity is responsible for some of the most realistic digital environments, from video games to augmented reality. At the end, we will say, the tech-heavy Nasdaq has pushed higher and higher on the backs of companies that benefit from the pandemic. With more and more people working out of a home office, many tech stocks are building momentum at a time when other industries are reeling from uncertainty. Instead of looking for the best stocks to buy and hold, investors must first determine what they want out of their investment. Is it income generated from dividends? Is it unparalleled growth over decades?